Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Masterkey with this awesome looking mask. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're gonna start out with this mask, which is really cool looking. I think this Masterkey character is probably the best looking character for season 8. So we're gonna start right in the middle here. We're gonna draw in his nose first. So from the corner here, I'm just gonna slant down. So that's gonna be the area right between the eyes. And then for his nose, I'm gonna come down just slightly. And then come down and just close it off. So that's gonna be his nose shape. And then for the little nostrils, I'm just gonna draw in a little curve right underneath. Alright, so that's his nose, and we're gonna draw his eyes now. So from the corner here, just slant up. And then from there, we're gonna come back down. This is gonna be his eye. So just come straight down and then pinch it back to the corner. Down. Okay, so it's got really cool looking and mean looking eyes. So from here now we can draw in the rest of the head shape for his ear. So we're gonna continue with this curve here, just kind of go up more. So this is going all the way up to the top of his ear. Okay, and then come back to the middle. Just come down a little bit here. I'm gonna draw one curve. That's gonna be the top of his head. And then now whatever you have spacing here, we'll just connect that. So that's gonna be his ear. Okay, and let's just go ahead and draw one center line. Let's give it some detail right now. Alright, so now that we have the top of the head, we're gonna draw in the side of the face here. So right around here, and then just kind of slant down. So same thing on this side. And then from this corner, we're gonna slant toward the nose, just right around here. Just come right in. And then we're gonna slant out. I know it's a little bit tricky with all these floating lines. Okay, and then we're gonna come in. This is gonna be his jaw. And then now just close it off. It's gonna be his chin. And now to finish off the side of the face here, go back to this point here. Give it a slight curve. Just kind of come down like this and just connect that. So you should have a little slant when you connect those. Same thing here. Curve, and then just close that off. Alright, I think the hardest part is over. Now that we have the overall head shape. So now let's finish up the mouth detail here. From the center of the nose, just come down. And the same thing, just draw two lines going slanting down. And then from this corner here, we'll just follow this line, this curve here, or the slant, just go straight up. Alright, and then for the fangs, just start in the corner. We're gonna simplify this, so we're gonna draw one, and then this side, one more. And then in the middle here, I'm just gonna draw in just two more. Just keep it simple. And then the bottom, we're just gonna draw one line. And then if you want to add a little bit of detail, we can add one little line in the middle there. Okay, and then for the details here, on this side, I'm gonna draw two lines going in. And then he's got some markings up here, so this one's actually easy. We're just gonna draw two lines like this, and then go up. Draw two more, slightly longer. And then now from these corners here, curve. Curve. Okay, so same thing here. Come out and go up. Alright, so that's his mask, and now let's move on to the hoodie. So for the hoodie, we're gonna draw the sides in the middle first. Just come here and draw in 2 lines first, slanting down. And then now go up and draw 1 curve all the way around. And then we're gonna continue that line, just keep going down, right around here. So 1 big curve. And then from here we just connect this. Alright, so that's the hoodie, and for the inside here, let's draw in the collar. I'm gonna draw 1 curve. And then from here another curve. Okay, and then he's got some detail right in the middle. Alright, so let's draw in the his little jacket first before we draw in more details. So start up here on his shoulder. We're gonna slant it out nice and wide. And then from this point here, we're just gonna pinch it all the way in. Just kind of flare back out toward the bottom. So this is his whole jacket shape. And then once you have this right here, come back to the middle right here, this point from the hoodie. Just gonna go straight down. And then just connect that with a slight curve, and that's gonna be his jacket. And then let's just go ahead and divide up the space right in here. I'm gonna draw in 2 lines. This is gonna be his belt. And let's see, let's add in some detail. Let's just go ahead and draw in his key right here. And I'm just gonna draw 1. So circle and then the loop. And now for the key, just 2 lines, just basically a long rectangle. And then on the tip here, I'm just gonna draw a little square. Alright, and before we add in the details on the jacket, let's just go ahead and draw in his arm. So come right around here. Here's the armpit. Shoulder coming down. Bicep. Bracket. Lower arm, flare out. This one's gonna curve down, so right around here. And this one's almost straight down. Just gonna close that off. And then for his fists, come down, little hook. Back of the fist, turn it, close it. Alright, so the other side is gonna be the same, except I'm gonna give him a claw. Here's the armpit, shoulder coming down. Back to the armpit, bracket, come up. Okay, use the other side for reference. So lower arm, flare out, turn, and this one's straight. Okay, close it. And then for his little claw shape here, 2 angles, and then that's gonna be his thumb here. We're gonna turn it back in. And then I'm gonna draw 1 line slanting down. And then back here, there's the back of the hand. And now I'm just gonna continue with this. And just fill that up. Close it off. And then for his other finger, I'm just gonna draw 1 little tip here. Alright, so now let's add in some detail to his jacket here, which is gonna be pretty simple. So on the shoulder here, just gonna draw 1 line. His shoulder pad here, I'm just gonna draw, I'll just keep it simple. I'll just draw 1 little line there. And then from the armpit here, we're gonna go up. Slant it up toward the hoodie. And then for some detail in here, I'm just gonna draw like a little square on each side first. And these are smaller details. And then from this square, just draw 2 lines on the outside. And then from those 2 lines, come in Leave a little bit of space in the middle. And then from that space here, I'll go up. So these are just little patterns on this jacket. So just follow the same curve as this jacket here. So this one curves. Okay, and then it's got some stripes here. Little tiger stripes. So it's just a little angle on the side. Start on the bicep. Just angle it in. One up here. One more on his bicep here. Alright, yeah, very cool looking jacket. Alright, so let's draw in his legs, and I'm going to start in the middle. One curve, go back to the middle. Just a little extra folding. So start on the side here. Here's his jacket. I'm going to come in a little bit. Come down. Angle, go back to the middle. Angle, and then close it off. So we're going to stop there, and let's draw on the other side first. Middle. Close. And his knee is going to be in here, so we're going to start out with its lower leg. Going to flare out. And just kind of pinch it in. It's going to be a little bit skinnier. Close it off. And then the dome shape here, come down. This one's going to go out a little bit more. Close it, and let's just add one section on the bottom. Okay, so slant out. This one's going to turn in. This one's almost straight down. Come across, and then dome shape here, come down, go out more on this side. Close, and then same thing here. And then for the wrappings on his legs, really easy. Just draw a bunch of lines across, but give it a slight different slant to them. So it looks like it's being wrapped around. Okay. Yeah, very simple. And then now to finish off, it's got a little bit of pouch here on the side. Just come across and then just come back into the leg. And then for the little flap, just kind of follow that line and then go out. And let's see, it's got two straps, so I'm just gonna draw one. Because it's kind of small, and then here's the little buckle. And that is it for this Masterkey. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.